Although Dreamweaver does a pretty good job of showing us what our HTML code will look like and how our images, text, backgrounds, everything will fit together, there's really no proof like actually seeing your web page in a web browser, because there are always differences between the way Dreamweaver shows us here in Design View and what the web browser shows us. Fortunately, Dreamweaver has a built-in web browser that you can activate by clicking on Live View. And you see the view changes, and instead of the old design view, now you have a simple streamlined view that looks almost like it would in a web browser, except that you're still able to select and highlight your divs. What we're most interested in is how does our page look like in live view, and does it look like the way we intended in our design? And so far my header is looking pretty good. It's looking very close to my sketch, and it's looking identical, almost identical between the regular design view and the live view. There's a slight difference in the top margin, but the live view is much closer to what I had in my sketch anyway, so I'm happy with it. So when you've previewed your page and you're happy with the way it looks and you're ready to upload it or publish it to the web, here's how you do it. You open the Files window, and you can find that under Window, Files, and here it is. It has the Dreamweaver site that you set up, and if you're working on multiple projects, you'll be able to select the sites from here. You can also choose between local and remote views. That means, are you seeing the files on your local computer, on your computer under the site folder, or are you seeing the files on the web server itself? Right now I'm in local view. These are the files I have on my computer, my homepage, my style sheet, and my images folder. I also have some other files, some other folders, but that's for teaching purposes. So as far as the website that people will see, all the important files are here. Before we can upload these files to the web, we need to connect to the server. And this is the connect button. I've already set up my site, so it's connect to remote server, which I gave the name UH for short. And that's how you connect. If you want to upload your files, you just need to select all the files that you want to upload and then click the up arrow button which says Put Files to Remote Server. Now, if the files on the website are actually more up to date than the files on your computer, which could happen if, let's say I publish this website from this computer, but then tomorrow I'm in a different location and I want to download my website files and continue working on my design, I could log in from the other computer, download the files from the website, edit them in Dreamweaver, and when I'm done, I could upload them again. So for now, all I need to do is upload. And I want to upload all my files. So I just right-click in this window, select All for all files. You also have the option of selecting recently modified files, which are the files modified since the last time you uploaded. You also have the option of selecting the files that are new on your computer or locally, more up to date than the ones on the server, or the ones that are more up to date on the server but older on your computer. For now, I select all files and just go and click Put Files. And when Dreamweaver is done, I can simply go to my web browser and type in my website address. And there you have it. All the changes that I made so far on my header are now live on the web. Notice how the web page looks identical in Firefox and in Dreamweaver's live view. That's because the built-in web browser in Dreamweaver is based on the same core or the same rendering engine that a lot of modern browsers, including Firefox, use. While it's great to see the live view in Dreamweaver, it's even better to actually upload and test your files online, so you can be aware of any kind of problems at the server end or while uploading or with your connection that you may have to work through. Fortunately, in this case, everything worked great and my file looks just the same in my browser as it does in Dreamweaver's live view. So make good use of Dreamweaver's live view, upload your files to your server and test them often, and have fun.